Or to seeing windows, baby. You're going to love it. This is that modern high rise in Houston that you're looking for. It's just beautiful, isn't it? And this is 14 feet or so of windows. But then you've got a beautiful apartment that goes with it. I mean, check this out. Everything is gorgeous. You've got a great space in here for guests and yourself to just relax. You've got a beautiful area, beautiful kitchen. All this white is just popping. It's so cool. It's that quartz look that everybody likes. You've got a wine fridge in there too. Lots of space in that island. And then look at the rest of this. This is amazing. I love all the white quartz, and then even the white kind of chevronish white backsplash. That gas stove is calling my name for cooking some beautiful dishes. And then, hey, look, you've got everything else. You've got the fridge, you've got the stainless, you've even got these nice shelves that are here, and a beautiful apartment. What do you think about this? Hey, send me a text and let me know your thoughts. You can just say, hey, Grant, I like this place. I'd like to get your help to find my perfect apartment in the Houston area. I like high-rise living, and I'd like to get your help to find my perfect high-rise. And you might mention this video too, and we'll get to talking. That's going to go straight to me, by the way. It doesn't go to software. I keep my clients' information private all the time, and then we'll just chat, and take it to the next steps and find your perfect place. Also, if you're not yet a subscriber, go and subscribe to our channel, and you'll be alerted when this beautiful content like this comes to our channel. Okay, so now we're going to do a detailed walkthrough of this beautiful apartment. Let's go do that right now.